अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सिंपैथेटिक सिस्टम में इफरेंट फाइबर्स की। द ग्रे मैटर ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट segment to second lumbar segment possesses a lateral horn or column in which are located the cell bodies of sympathetic connector neurons. The myelinated axons of these cells leave the spinal cord in anterior nerve roots and then pass via white rami communicate to paravertebral ganglia of sympathetic trunk. The connective cell fiber are preganglionic as they pass through the peripheral ganglion. Once the preganglionic fibers reach the ganglia in the trunk, they may pass through the following destinations. They may terminate in the ganglion they have entered by synapsing with an excited cell in the ganglion. A synapse can be defined as the site where two neurons come into close proximity but not into anatomic continuity. The gap between two neurons is bridged by the neurotransmitter substance acetylcholine. The axons of excited neuron leave the ganglion and are non-myelinated. These postganglionic nerve fibers now pass through the thoracic spinal nerve as gray rami communicate and are distributed in the branches of the spinal nerves to supply the smooth muscles in the walls of blood vessels, the sweat gland and arrector pili muscles of skin. Those fibers entering the ganglia of sympathetic trunk high up in thorax may travel up in sympathetic trunk to ganglia in cervical ganglion, where they synapse with the excited cells. Here again, the postganglionic nerve fibers leave the sympathetic trunk as gray rami communicate, and most of them join the cervical spinal nerves. Many of the preganglionic fibers enter the lower part of the trunk from the lower thoracic and upper lumbar segments of spinal cord, travel down to the ganglia and where they synapse with the excited cells. The prostaglandinic fibers leave the trunk as gray rami communicate that join the